Hello, Sarah from One-Eyed Cat Online Marketing here, and welcome back to our Google Ads checklist for e-commerce. Today we're still in the optimization section of the checklist, and today we are talking about split testing ads. So regularly split testing ads is something that you need to do to make sure that you have always got the best possible performing ad in each ad group, or at least in your highest volume, the ones with the most traffic going through in those ad groups. Now, earlier on when I was talking about campaign setup, I did sort of say that you need to have at least 2 ads in an ad group, and you also need to have your ad rotation set to do not optimize in order to stop Google kind of favoring one ad over another. So as long as you have those settings in place, those 2 things in place, then you can go on and split test your ads. Now, it depends on how much traffic you had, as to how often you can do this. For most people, you can probably do it monthly to get enough traffic to actually give you a result. Now, most of the time we look at sort of click-through rates. So basically looking at the ad which is attracting the most clicks to get people through to your website. But bear in mind, you do also kind of need to think about conversion rates as well. There's no point having an ad that gets a really high click-through rate because you've put something in the ad that appeals, but then it's not relevant, or it doesn't apply to the landing page, and you get lots and lots of traffic there, but nobody actually buys or converts or does whatever it is you want to do on that landing page. So bear that in mind as well. But usually people look at the one with the best click-through rate, and then if you have a winner in an ad group, what you'll do is you'll pause the losing ad, and you will try and write an ad that will then compete and hopefully beat the winner, so that you're always incrementally improving your ads. Now, Mike Rhodes, who is very, very knowledgeable, very well known in the Google Ads space, he talks about, when you're split testing ads, he talks about testing sort of branches, twigs, then leaves. So to start off with, you're going to test big differences in your ads to try and get a feel for what is going to appeal more to your visitors, and then as you sort of refine, you test smaller and smaller changes until you're just kind of tweaking little things, tweaking small messaging elements in your ads to try and always get that little bit better performance. Now, just a quick tip for a tool: if you're not using any kind of optimization tools to help you process the data for this, and you're not sure whether you have enough data to actually to decide whether something is a winner, this is a really useful tool provided by Perry Marshall. The URL here is perrymarshall.com/split tester. I'll put a link to this in the description below the video, and you just put in here, if you have your 2 ads, you put your number of clicks for the first ad and your click-through rate percentage for the first, and the same for the second. You hit calculate it, and it will tell you whether the data has statistical significance, or whether maybe you need to leave it for a little while longer in order to actually really decide which ad is performing better. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and share the video if you know somebody who might be interested. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. Subscribe to the channel over here, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care now. Goodbye.